Hey, this is Alex with Halfway Apps. In this video, I'm going to show you a little trick on how to list files in a Drive folder. Maybe you need that to see what kind of files are there. Maybe you want to rename them. You can very easily do that with FileDrop. So what do I need is I have this folder here. It has some sample images. I'm going to need this part here. This is the folder ID. So everything that goes after folders is the ID of the folder. And I'm going to my sheet. And here I'm going to go to extensions, FileDrop, and I'm going to select list files in folder. And I'm seeing this pop up here, enter the folder ID. And if I click OK, I should start seeing all the files I have here. So how cool is that? So I have like 20 files. I can even, this function is used for renaming the files, but you can do it for anything you want. So these are the images. The files, actually, it can be any file. And this is the files listed here. So I hope you find this useful. It might come handy one day. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Cheers.